In this video I'll be making my version of cumin lamb noodles. I've seen similar recipes on the internet and the combination of chili oil, lamb and cumin seemed like something that could be really nice. I start by toasting whole cumin seeds in a pan over medium heat for a couple of minutes. I've heard people say this is an important step and I'm beginning to understand what they mean. I then grind the toasted seeds into a fine powder. This amazing powder will be part of a simple, concentrated flavor mixture that I will distribute all over the noodles. In a small bowl I combine 4 tablespoons of my homemade chili oil and 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. I then grate 1 large garlic clove and 1 small knob of ginger and add them to the small bowl as well. I also add the cumin powder to the small bowl before stirring it and then tasting it. This will and should be way too salty, but I will not add any extra salt at all, so the sauce will be balanced against the rest of the components. After tasting it, I added the rest of the cumin powder and a dash of black vinegar to give it some more acid. Now we're home. It's now time to fry the minced lamb. I had some left after making my breakfast sandwich video. The pan should be on high heat from the start to brown the meat properly. After a couple of minutes, when the water has evaporated and I know I have enough heat, I lower it to medium. I don't add any salt to the lamb. Like I previously explained, the flavor mixture has all the salt we need. When I'm happy with the color of the meat, I turn the heat down to low and pour in my concentrated flavor mixture. I only want to slightly cook the garlic and the flavors to combine. I then proceed to cook the noodles and I don't add any salt to the water. I reserve some of the hot water in a large heat-proof bowl. When the noodles are done, I place them in a large bowl along with the reserved noodle water. I place the lamb and flavor mixture on top of the noodles and mix everything together. Now all that's left is to place some of it in a bowl and eat it. A few weeks before this video was shot, I cooked it for the first time. I thought I could pull it off on the first try, so I filmed it then as well. I had half the amount of noodles to the same amount of flavor mixture. I also had salted chicken stock for the liquid part and added too much vinegar. At least I had some spring onion. The result was way too salty and just overall horrible, so I had to reshoot it. You can see the difference when I taste it on these 2 different occasions. This is what it looks like when something is truly delicious.